Connect Google Nest Mini with Google Home app on either iPhone or Android. Now, connecting the Nest Mini with the Google Home app is a fairly simple process. The only thing you want to make sure is this device is not currently linked to any of the other device. If it is linked, then you just have to make sure to unlink it or to factory reset it. So factory resetting is also very simple. We already have a tutorial for that. If you want, you can check them out on our channel. Now, after we factory reset it, it is currently turned on and we're going to connect it to our Google Home app. So go ahead and then just launch the Google Home app, whether you're on Android or iPhone, it doesn't really matter. When we've done that, normally it might give a pop-up that says to set up Nest Mini. If it doesn't, go to Devices section manually and go to Add Device. Here select Google Nest or partner device right there. And you can choose a home. If you've already created a home, perfectly fine. If not, you can tap on add another home and create a new home and tap the next option. Enable the location services like it says you to, and also make sure to enable Bluetooth if it asks you to. So make sure to enable location access as well as Bluetooth access. It will look for devices. Make sure Google Nest Mini is turned on. It's showing the red light, so you can say it's turned on. After a couple of seconds, it will find the Nest Mini. So you can tap on yes, it will connect to our Nest Mini using our Wi-Fi and so on. So just be patient and do the steps one after the other, and then just like that, you will be able to complete your Nest Mini setup on either Android or iPhone. So I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.